Just like that, the car is full again, and this stuff is completely free. Phyllis is such a great lady, comes to visit her family. She's from Maryland, comes down here. Her mother lives in our neighborhood, and she used to sell online, and now she said, no, I just like finding stuff. I don't want to sell it online. I hope you could do better with it for your family. So thank you so much, Phyllis. I greatly appreciate it. This is just amazing. All right, fresh cut front yard. I'm not no pro landscaper. I got to get rid of all that stuff. Been trimming it all back, and look at the nice grass in my driveway. But hey, you saw there, yeah, wrapping up the last video, talking about some of the free stuff we got. Stuff just picked up here and there, and then I get a call from one of my favorite people. She lives in Maryland. Her mom lives in our neighborhood, and she drives to tell me, hey, I'm bringing you more inventory. She used to sell on eBay, loves going to thrift stores, loves going to estate sales, stuff like that. I don't know if this is still her old inventory or if she's still getting stuff to bring down here, and she knows that I'll donate all the other stuff that we can't really sell. So now I'm going to quickly show you kind of the big haul, but what we already worked on last night to pick through what was going to be very good and sellable on eBay. Put all this out here last night and put a tarp over it just so it wouldn't get damaged or wet, but we'll uncover that in just a second. All right, so yeah, she brings us all kinds of stuff, and she goes, if you can sell it, great. If you can't, totally fine. I said, yeah, but it'll still go somewhere where somebody can get it. So thrift store, or if I got some friends that want this stuff, yeah, board games, books, more glassware, knickknacks, things like that. And then right over here, yeah, just tons of stuff, and we greatly appreciate it. But here's starting where we're going to have some good stuff to sell. These are like magician magazines. Some are called Magic, some are called Mum. I'll put up some sold comps here. Somebody was having some good success selling these for $5 an issue here in the month, this past July. So I may separate them in by, you know, Mum or Magic, whatever, and do a couple lots of these. But right now, based on that, I don't think there's a huge listing, so I don't know if these are more rare than I think. But just on the conservative end, if I get 50 bucks, like I said, this was free stuff, but those should do pretty well. And right in here is something else we pulled out of one of those, Car Wars Deluxe Edition. It was hard finding this one in this case, but it seems to be a really cool role-playing game. I think we get about 20 bucks for that. This old vintage Remington. It doesn't have the top case to it. This will get about $15. Pretty cool looking. Oh, let me lay this thing out. Cool Looney Tunes all over print. It's a sleeper shirt. That's all, folks. 1993. But just a really cool graphic. You know, sleeper shirts still have a decent market. I don't know what this one will go for, but it's pretty cool to find in there. Got this newer Coca-Cola K Products hat. This other Baltimore Orioles with all of the minor league patches on there. Didn't see the manufacturer, but I thought this was pretty cool looking. We'll look up this one. David Copperfield, you know, he's a magician fan. Another old Baltimore Orioles hat. The game, made in Taiwan, so still some good age. This was just kind of cool. PetSmart, but all of the pet pins. I've never seen like a pin collection like this for pets, but we'll see if that does anything. Got the hard hat, the batter's hat. I've sold a few of these from some other teams before. They're typically like $15, not too crazy, but they move pretty quick. the Conan Chronicles. I think this is volume 1, 25 free shipping. And if you're one of those folks that watches Harry Tornado, I mean, you should be. He's over 300,000 subs now. He just recently talked about these, and these were also in there. These are some York heavyweight like plates. They're not too heavy, 2.5 pounds. These nice vintage weights will do, I think, around 30 bucks, so not too bad there. And then, yes, reoccurring theme, more Magician magazines. I think there were some railroad magazines as well, so I'm gonna hold on to all those to look through there to see if we have even more money. Don't know anything about the railroad ones. I got excited because I did see some Magic the Gathering cards, but those were the only two, just little commons. I thought I was gonna find that elusive $300,000 card, but no luck. All right, so sometimes she likes to buy this stuff from me, so we'll see how this is gonna turn out. That's a maybe. All right, so this other lady dropped off some more donations while I was putting my stuff here, so gave her one over. She says she got a whole storage unit she wants emptied, so I'll drop these clothes off for them. Yeah. All right, so back home, and not a bad day. Got to get to work, get some listings done, but yes, dropped all that stuff off, made a cool connection, helping this lady. She was dropping stuff off and says, you know anybody that could help me unload my whole storage unit? I said, please take my number, ma'am. I need to get some cards made, but financially, we are just trying to pay our bills right now. It's been a tough season, to be honest with you, but we're working extra hard to keep this thing rolling. But with all the stuff that I dropped off, part of that game plan, emptied that truckload out, I said, give me 30 bucks. Give me another, little bit of gas for the truck. And I got a Pepsi out of the deal, but I also picked up all of these vintage road maps. They're all from like, I think 60s, 70s, and 80s. So, hey, I'm going to get a listing out of this as well, but just wanted to show you, like, man, I'm so thankful for the kind people that want to get rid of stuff and say, here, take it, it's free. I'm finding stuff here and there, but people are also just bringing us incredible stuff that we can sell on eBay. It's a flip for a profit. Now, that profit does put food on our table. So, and we thank you for watching. That helps us out so much. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a like. It helps us so much. It really does. But we can't thank you enough for just being part of our journey and our story, and we can't wait to see in the future when we look back on this and just see how far we have come. And I just want to thank you once again for tuning in to Flips Finds Fun. Have a good one. Make the world a better place with a sale and a smile, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye.